Hello everybody, it is great weather, so we need great food, especially a good fresh salsa. And my friend Sarah's gonna help us out here, right Sarah?
Absolutely, thank you for having me.
Oh my gosh, I am excited for this. What are we making?
We're gonna do a strawberry and mango salsa today.
Okay, tell us how to make it.
All right, so we're going to use a cup of diced strawberries. Over the summer, it's great to use fresh strawberries. These are frozen though, works just as well in this recipe. I have about 1/3 cup of diced mango.
Love
Same
mango.
thing, frozen. I've got some diced red onion here that we're just gonna mix in. I have 1 whole avocado diced here. I've done this without the avocado as well, so
you can add it in mine, we're good.
Yep, there you go. We've got jalapeno. I used half a jalapeno. If you like it spicier,
I do.
Just add the whole thing. We've got some chopped cilantro here as well. And then for the dressing, what we're going to do is juice 1 lime. And then we're going to add just a drizzle of honey and a pinch of salt. And we are just going to kind of gently toss this all together.
And while you're doing that, you work for Roswell.
Yes.
Tell everybody what you do.
Yeah.
Because it's fabulous.
So I'm a clinical dietitian at Roswell. We have a team of clinical dietitians there. We are there to support the patients. We support our inpatient and outpatient population. So we're there to help you during treatment and have a healthy lifestyle after treatment as well.
I love your view on food. Tell everybody what you told me.
Yeah, so I like to look at food as adding nutrition where you're able to instead of focusing on restricting. So we've got this bright, fresh salsa here, which is a great way to add some fiber, some nutrients with your fruits and veggies to focus on foods that you enjoy, because that's how you're gonna get more healthy food into the diet.
This is amazing and super fresh. Head over to the website, wkbw.com/7life. Sarah gave us all the ingredients. Thank you so much.
Thank you.